Hello, my name is Lara. I'm from Olhão, Portugal, and I'm participating in the virtual activities of Erasmus 2020. Today I'm going to make these traditional butter cookies from Greece, and these are the ingredients that I will use. I'm going to make half of the recipe, and since I don't have roasted almond flakes, I'm going to crush the almonds so the cookies don't lose the flavor. To start, I will use the bimbi to beat the butter with the sugar for 10-15 minutes, until the mixture gets fluffy. The mix is like this. We add the yolk, the brandy, the vanilla and the almonds. I add the flour and this is the result. I took the dough off and I rolled the cookies into balls, pressing on the top to flatten them. I baked the cookies for 20-25 minutes. Thanks to the ladies who made the video to teach this recipe. I tried and had fun making it and getting to know a little more about Greek culture.